Hi, I'm David. I'm the founder of Vaperun. What's Vaperun? Vaperun is a same-day delivery vape company. That means you go to our website, you're not sure what you want to buy, our web chat will help you, you pick the product and you can get it delivered in a number of spots during the day. We're looking for partners all over the UK so we can grow the widest reach. We want to be faster than Amazon. And let's talk about Amazon. Amazon currently take about 30% of vape purchases. And how often in your shops have you had someone come in who bought a product from Amazon and it's not the right thing for them? They don't understand how to use it and the customer service they're getting from the particular marketplace vendor isn't particularly good. So you're fixing their problems and you're not getting anything for that other than maybe goodwill. So Amazon's a great place if you know what you're looking for. If you're looking for a new extension lead, it will come up. But if you don't know what is the right product for you and you're completely new to vaping, what do you want to buy? And then when you do buy the product, what's the right liquid for that? How often do you find people buying the wrong product with the wrong liquids, it's not working, and they have a terrible experience, and then they go back to smoking, or it doesn't work for them, and they have a bad view of how e-cigarettes work. We want to fix that. We want to bring the same customer service values that you give in your local stores, but bring them online, and then give them the convenience they get currently from an online purchase. So if we can give someone same-day delivery by giving the same customer service values, the right guidance and the right advice as they'd get in a bricks and mortar shop, those people who are time poor, who can't get down to a shop, are going to love it. We're looking for partners all over the UK to have their own exclusive territories and provide the Vaperun same-day delivery service in their areas. If that sounds like something you can get on board with, then check out the rest of this video. So we're going to do a little video screencast for a video we're making about why our website is better to use than Amazon. So it's called Vaperun, it's same-day delivery vape company. We're going to screencast is when you record what's actually on the screen and it can overlay it with your video. And I'm going to show people how difficult it can be to use Amazon if it's in our sector. So for example, people want to buy an e-cigarette kit and they're brand new, the floor in Amazon. So so we're going to hit Amazon now. So I'm just going to find where the bloody is. Okay, it's greyed out, excellent. So let's go to Amazon, amazon.co.uk. Apparently everyone uses .co.uk now. Okay, so let's type in, I'm new to vaping, I want to get a vape kit, so I'm going to type in vape starter kit. It's got some suggestions of what other keywords. So on top it says here, it's going to show me 24 results or over 1,000 results. And you can sort by featured. Don't know what featured means. I think it probably means someone's paid to advertise or they're paying for it. This one here is 3.5 out of 5. There's an awful lot of things. There's lots of text going on. I'm e-cig, vape, e-cigarette starter kits. Obviously, it's all keyword text to be found. I can immediately see there's 2 of the same thing. The POCX is in there. 3 of the same things. I've seen a couple of things now, duplicates. Indica Endura, that's in there again. Another EVOD, this one here, something like an EVOD. Just seen this starter vape kit pen as well. Nothing that immediately, powerful 80 watt ManVap e-cigarette vape box mod starter. I mean, it's a lot of noise. Which one am I going to go for? Am I going to go based on price? There are other ways you can sort these. We did this before, price low to high perhaps people might pick. That's the same, so electronic e-shisha, rechargeable shisha with 1 refill is the same as the next one next to it. Then there's some, what looks like activated charcoal toothpaste listed under here. A buttonless vape pen kit, best for CBD. Here's some e-liquids. Vape box mod is the same as this one here. Don't know actually if the mouse is going to be showing up on the screen. But it's the same thing. Oh, screen's gone crazy now. More of the same item. It's just not very clear. So I don't know how you're going to pick your kit, and there's certainly no web chat here or people to ask for. So let's click onto the most basic kit here. List of different sellers. Oh, there's a pair of pants to buy. Nicorette inhaler. I don't know how these are. Quitting smoking pants perhaps. Some navel belly ring bars. Customers who bought this item also bought those. Obscure. Have a question. Look, let's be honest, I can fill in this question here but nothing's going to come back immediately. Before it has any information about the actual product, it's got a legal disclaimer. I think you get the point. Oh, there's some grinders as well. It's if I bought this, would anyone know what is inside without opening the package? Is it definitely? It's got some basic questions, but nothing that's going to really tell you if it's the right item for you. That's the problem with Amazon. If you know what you're looking for, you'll find it straight away. So let's say you bought this item. Now, which liquid do you use? You can use some of the suggested ones here, but what if you don't like peach, or there's not a lot of quality, a lot of range? It's not great. Now, without being slightly biased, I'm going to go over to my own website, vapeandjuice.com. There's a super fast internet connection, and we've got beginners. So this is the sort of thing we're going to be carrying over from Vaperun. So you click on the beginners tab because you're a beginner. And what we have on our own website for Vape and Juice, which we're going to bring over to Vaperun. Whenever we're in a basement, we're filming this in, so the internet connection is pretty poor. We're having to use a 4G dongle. Looking for your perfect vape kit? This is immediately what you can do if you're an expert in an industry, and why you can be better than Amazon. So yeah, we're going to start. It tells you immediately what makes up a vape kit: battery, loading. Probably get some fibre in our office. Fibre doesn't come into our high street apparently, which is crazy. Is this your first vape kit? Yes. What is most important to you? Okay, I'm going to go for quality. I want battery life. So which of the following appeals to you most? Battery life and quitting smoking. What's your budget? Let's go over here. And then up come a range of different options within that price category. That one shouldn't be here, or error on our site. But it can come up with some suggestions. So you've immediately got some ideas that you know are within that space. Still unsure? Use our live web chat. Click on here, and we've got someone who answers the web chat, invariably me often, or people in our head office. So there is advice there for you. We're specialists in this sector, and so are you in your business too. And Vaperun is all about this. We're going to replicate this style of system to make it easy for people to find the right product, but also having a live web chat that can be answered. These are things that immediately help a customer have a much better experience online than they do with something like Amazon. We go over to the Vaperun site. Now, we've modelled the Vaperun site on a system that you'll be familiar with from if you've ever used something like Deliveroo. Just in the process of building through the site, so there are still some areas we're working on, but what I wanted to show you was the key point at the beginning. So if you've ever used something like Deliveroo, you'll know you've got the option at the beginning, a picture of me at the top there having a vape in Cannon Street. So local postcode 301, this is the postcode that we put into the system to be okay. Success, you're eligible for same day delivery, shop away. And you can go scroll through and you can have a look at what things you want. Vape kits, and we've got a list of things, different categories here, and we're going to, again, these things will be built out, so by the time you're on board, if you want to come on board as a partner, you'll have a few more options there as well. It's all about making the experience frictionless and customer friendly, and that's what you can do in your industry. You have expertise that these big marketplaces can't offer, so we want to make sure those experiences are able to be carried over to an e-commerce platform and enable people to shop with people who know what they're talking about and not just buying rubbish online. So that's, in a nutshell, why there is a problem when you use something like Amazon and why there isn't a problem when you use a specialist website. And that's why we believe Vaperun can offer something that's undoubtedly better in terms of customer experience and reducing friction for customers. On top of that, Amazon generally will give you next day delivery, or it will give you 1 to 2 day delivery as its quickest options. If you're in the city, it does offer same day delivery, but generally not on vape products because they have to be in their depot in that central area. Your stores can act as a depot to help dispatch these products quicker, and it means you can now give same day delivery to someone who lives in and around Newquay, for example. Amazon are not going to be doing that for a long time to come. Hope that makes sense. So that's the screencast. That's fundamentally the flaw in the system that Amazon have and eBay have. It's a great system again. If you're looking for something that you know what you're looking for, brilliant, it works well. If you don't know what you're looking for, which amounts for a huge amount of our audience, we follow the heat map. So on our website, at the back end, we can see where people are clicking most. Most of our traffic goes through starter kits, beginner kits, convenience market, and Amazon isn't very clear for them there. So this is something that we can offer that's profoundly better, and it's why we think Vaperun is something that you should be signing up to as a partner. Get in soon, because we're only going to take one partner in each town that covers different sectors. We're not going to have Vaperun partners in areas that conflict with one another, and in the early interim stages it's going to be free to sign up to, so there's no reason not to. So again, I'm David, this is Vaperun, and let's hear from you soon.